Great to be here in Formnext yet another year. Our customers to produce high-value parts where they need it, when they need it, the quantity they need it.
It's been a little over 1 year since we announced our metal jet technology at IMTS, and we continue to make progress on our roadmap. Working with partners like GCAN and FORMX and VW, we did our first serial production of over 10,000 parts on behalf of VW, and we learned a lot, and it's a great way to get out in the marketplace.
I'm very glad to be here introducing the latest improvements that we have brought to our portfolio in 3D printing. This year, we have extended our capacity for reproduction of parts with repeatability even further, taking it to the level of injection molding. This is something that never in the industry had been achieved.
We were actually measuring the companies that we work with. So the first one to do this was our Chief Marketing Officer, and he asked that any marketing groups that we work with to do campaigns had an equally diverse workforce.
As I'm from Jebel, and we are partnering with HP for the digital manufacturing network.
Quite excited to be here. We talk about what additive manufacturing can do in the industrial space.
You can go upstairs to the Siemens booth and you see the HP printers live.
What we are all about at the end of the day is changing how the world designs and manufactures.